Hello everyone. Today we are going to make Moong Dal, which is a quick and healthy side dish for chapati and puri. Come, let's make Moong Dal today.
சாப்பாடு என்னைக்குமே நமக்காக காத்திருக்க கூடாது. நாம தான் சாப்பாடுக்காக காத்திருக்கணும்.
To make Moong Dal, we need to wash the dal and soak it for 20 minutes. As per this cup measurement, I have taken 1.5 cup of Moong Dal. You can take the dal according to your requirement. Now we need to take a cooker and add 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we need to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, asafoetida and 2 slit green chilies. We need to mix them all well, then add 5 finely chopped tomatoes. After mixing the tomatoes, we need to add the required salt. We need to cook the tomatoes till they are soft and mushy. Now we need to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. We need to give it a good mix, then cover the cooker with a lid and cook for 5 minutes till the masalas are done. Mint leaves are essential for this recipe as they give a wonderful taste to the dal. So now we need to add chopped mint leaves. We'll give it a good mix, then add the soaked dal and add enough water and pressure cook for 2 whistles. The dal should be soft but not mushy. Now if the dal seems thick, we can add hot water to adjust the consistency. Now we need to add chopped coriander leaves and give it a good mix. Now we will turn off the flame and add 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. We'll mix it well. That's it. Quick, healthy and tasty Moong Dal is ready. It goes really well with roti, fulka, chapati and puri. Let's look at some quick tips for making Moong Dal. Moong Dal should be soaked for 20 minutes. It should be pressure cooked only for 2 whistles. It should be soft but not mushy. Masala should be added only when the tomatoes are cooked. Mint leaves and lemon juice are absolutely essential for this recipe. That's it. Follow these tips and try this recipe at your home. And do give us your valuable comment and feedback. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe. And do press the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever we upload a new video. If you like our today's video, kindly hit like. And do share it with those who are interested in cooking. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you soon.